Okay, so now that we've got communicate, now we can communicate between our the JavaScript and also the website itself. Um, so we can have user interaction if required. Now we also need to be able to communicate with our backend service. Okay, so we need to set this up. Now we created our backend folder. In this backend folder, we need to then create a file, and we'll just say touch backend, and we'll say index dot. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to say API dot PHP. Okay, and inside of this one file, in PHP, I'm not going to go through PHP right now, is we're going to create our API.php, and inside of this we're going to then echo back something which is going to completely confuse you if you have no idea about this, but c'est la vie, JSON pretty print, I believe it's called, and we're going to say here message, whoops, when it's all lowercase, is hello world. Okay, so now we have our message, hello world from the back end application. Yeah, nice and simple. So let's have a look to see whether this works. If we go, well, it's not going to work. Right, first of all, we need to start our service. All right. Now, to be able to do that, I've written here somewhere is that you need to go into that folder and then say php dash big S localhost colon 4200. Okay, so go into your folder where it is and then say backend and then say I wanted it on this one. No, on this one. So go into one of your terminals and then paste this information, and now we've got it. All right, now that should be started. If we go over to our browser, let's close that. Go over to our browser for 200 here, and it's going to say not working. All right, which we know. But if we say API.php, it still says not working. So why is that saying not working? No file or directory. So let's have a stop of that. And that would be correct. There is no file or directory. Where are you? Did I save you? Yes, I did. Doesn't make sense. Let's come with a blue one here. We'll go into backend. What we got? There it is. So it is there. Start this again. Go 4200. Okay, that's funny. Why are you not? Okay, then just to see whether this is working. It's not working either. So I've done something wrong here. No such file. What have I done wrong here, David? Why is it not working? Look. What did I have running here? That's in front end. Okay, this is all part and parcel of why is this not working. I know there's be someone that I know looking at this going, what have I done wrong here? Localhost 4200, yes. Okay, localhost 4200. And this is such as life, is how it happens sometimes. But that's 4200, and then the other one was running. So now the front end one should not be working either. Okay, that's not working either, which is fine. So let's come here and then say PHP big S local host 4200 here. Fail to listen already being used. Yes, we know that. And this one's already listening, so let's close you down and then come back here. First website, backend. There it is. Okay, so something was being silly here. Don't know what. But that's how it is. So let's now go over to here once again and api.php. And there we can see we've got message hello world from backend application. I have no idea what was going on there. There's probably someone watching knowing exactly what I did wrong, but I kind of got it in the end. Okay, let's start the front end one again. Okay, let's make sure that that one's working. That one's not working now either, so something definitely miss here. No such file or directory. Right. There it is. Okay, I know what it was wrong. I know exactly what it was now. Right, so just to go through what was wrong is that when I first started these services, everything was working fine. But then I deleted all of the folders, and this terminal here was still in that one folder. Okay, which meant that it kind of had a different link to it somehow using Linux file system. But because I've gone out and back in again, it's working fine. So I can only imagine that that's what it is. Hey, that's how life is. Right, but now we have our backend service. All right, so everything that is sent to this API.php is going to be classed as our backend service. All right, and let's then say that then gets what can we do? Let's leave it for now. All right, so that's how we've got our backend service set up. I'm going to stop this one video and then go into the next video so it's nice and clean and we can continue on. Otherwise, it's just 9 minutes of confusion. All right, I'll see you in the next video.